tough guy. A Nazi sympathising football hooligan who's comfortable with attacking a player's home for the colour of his skin.
I just protect my country from immigrant scum.
And what a noble cause that is. Mercedes S-Class. That's a nice set of wheels.
Now, I don't know very much about cars, but how much would a vehicle like that set you back?
90, 100,000 euros. Is that right, Arta?
It's not my car.
It's strange that you've got no record of working for Berlian Leisure, and yet there you are, driving their Merc.
So I do a little driving work off the books. Arrest me for tax evasion. Albo skocz mi na pałę.
Such a beautiful language, isn't it?
The passenger, who is he?
Client.
Named?
By the way, can I see your tattoos? Tattoos are mandatory for the Liga Ultras, right?
Swastikas, Legia Lubin badges, nationalist symbols.
Yeah, you're clean as a whistle. Fancy explaining that?